Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Steam Guard backup codes for Lost Access Authenticator. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the Steam menu option there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories. Click on Security to access your account's security settings. This is where Steam keeps all your authentication and protection features, making it the central hub for managing how you protect your account. Now, you'll see an option that says Get Backup Codes. Go ahead and click on it. This feature is specifically designed for situations like this, where you might lose access to your primary authentication method. Having backup codes is essential because they act as a safety net, allowing you to regain access to your account even when your authenticator isn't available. After clicking that first button, you'll need to click Get Backup Codes one more time to confirm that you want to generate these codes. Steam uses this double confirmation to ensure you're intentionally creating backup codes and to prevent accidental generation. Next, Steam will ask you to confirm your identity through either SMS or email. This is an important security step that verifies you're the actual account owner. Choose your preferred verification method and wait for the code to arrive. This usually takes just a few seconds, so keep an eye on your phone or email inbox. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the designated field. Right beside that field, you'll see a button that says Generate Codes Now. Click on it to complete the process. Steam will then create your backup codes, which you can save securely for future use whenever you need to access your account without your authenticator. And that's it! You've successfully generated your Steam Guard backup codes, giving you a reliable way to access your account if you lose your authenticator. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.